To maintain competitive advantages and increase efficiencies, Canadian manufacturers need a well-trained and engaged workforce. Training Within Industry, or TWI, is a powerful suite of programs which provides hands-on training for select personnel who influence or direct the work of others. Canadian Manufacturers and Exporters provides TWI training to companies looking to establish a culture for stability and predictability through standard work practices. TWI was designed to help industry help itself to meet increased manufacturing demands. With Canadian companies competing in global marketplaces and contending with rapid advances in technology and new product development, these efficiencies are more important than ever. TWI complements lean practices by providing workers with the skills to establish a culture for change, by continuously improving best practice methods. These skills provide a framework for organizations to standardize workplace training and create a dynamic and motivated workforce. Training Within Industry sessions create true organizational excellence and transform a business's culture from the bottom up by improving employee engagement at all levels. Job instruction, or JI, is a key step of TWI training.
Job instruction is the way to quickly teach a person to do a job safely, correctly, and conscientiously. So if you don't mind opening your book, everybody should have a book. To do this, we teach people how to break a job down into bite-sized chunks, and then we teach it delivering a 4-step method, and this drives home standard work.
JI always follows this structured set of steps. First, the trainer needs to prepare the worker and get the area ready.
We'll be working today, I'll be training you to do your job.
Then the trainer attempts to put the trainee at ease and get them interested in the job at hand.
We put the person in the right frame of mind by making them feel comfortable, finding out a bit about their background to give them some confidence that they can accomplish a task we're about to teach them.
By doing these simple things, an optimized condition for successful learning is created. Next, the trainer presents the operation, moving methodically one step at a time.
Step number 1, fold the strip, edge to edge.
They show how the job is done by breaking it down to its core tasks.
For step number 2, insert the clip.
The trainer repeats this process, moving slowly and patiently remembering that if the worker hasn't learned, the trainer hasn't taught.
Step 1, place pallet. Step 2, place cardboard. Step 3, cabinets on pallets.
In the third step, the trainee must try out performance by doing the actual job. The trainer corrects any mistakes and explains the key points and rationale for why the job is performed in this manner. The steps are repeated until the trainer is confident the trainee understands.
Let's do it again.
In the fourth and final step, the trainee is put on their own, but left with clear instructions on where to go for help. The trainer follows up frequently and encourages questions before gradually tapering off the instruction. By standardizing one process for instruction, organizations are able to create a stable environment for workers to properly learn their jobs with repeatable results. Job instruction eliminates variation with training and creates the foundation for continuous improvement by standardizing these processes.
If you want predictability in your manufacturing process, we have to ensure that we're training each person in the same way every time and that we're covering the same points each and every time.
Job instruction has proven results in reducing training time, eliminating waste, creating a safer work environment, and increasing employee job satisfaction. CME works with companies to implement this highly effective methodology.
We know that there is a better way to teach. We know that we can do a better job if we prepare it properly.
The Job Relations, or JR module of TWI teaches leaders how to consistently get individual and team results through the foundations of good employee relations. Many workplace problems can be easily prevented by simply treating others with respect and as an individual. However, when workplace problems do arise, Job Relations teaches a method of resolving issues quickly by getting the facts, weighing and deciding options, taking action, and then checking results.
There's 4 steps to job relations. The first step is letting people know what's expected of them. This ensures that people know the expectation, and if they can't achieve it, it allows us to help them get there. Second step is ensuring that we give credit when credit's due. People on a daily basis exceed our expectations, and we need to reinforce that good behavior on a daily basis. The third foundation for good relations is telling people in advance about changes that will affect them. The most important part about this step is ensuring that we work with them to have those changes accepted and remove any roadblocks that will keep them from becoming successful in this new environment. The fourth foundation is using everybody's skill to the best of our abilities. In order to do this, we have to understand what people's skill sets are and where their strengths lie. So we need to make sure we have personal contact with them and explore these so that we can best utilize their talents.
Companies have the potential to increase productivity, improve attendance, boost morale, and create higher retention rates.
So if we look at the second part of our card,
JR stresses employee engagement while also teaching a structured problem-solving technique to reduce and eliminate workplace conflicts. Using JR will create a culture of respect and build loyalty with employees. By respecting and valuing individual and team accomplishments, you can motivate and engage employees to help deliver better performance and develop environments in which they can succeed. TWI's modules are all designed to improve companies at the root, with their people. Positive employee training and relationships creates ownership, fosters loyalty, and increases productivity. CME can help you create this type of systematic approach to continuous improvement. With decades of proven success stories, see how CME job instruction and job relations training sessions can benefit you and your company. To learn how, visit daretocompete.ca.